Hey, welcome back to the channel. Please like, share, and subscribe, all that good stuff. Alright, today we got a pretty easy one. Well, not easy, but we got a simple one. Today we're doing basically strength, upper body strength. We're gonna do 4 movements. We're doing pull-ups, we're doing push-ups, regular push-ups, and then we're gonna also do decline push-ups, and then we're going to do dips. Now I'm going to do this with a weighted vest. You don't have to. The amount of reps that we're doing, we got 5 pull-ups, 10 push-ups, 10 decline push-ups, and then 10 dips. If you are doing it without a weighted vest, then you want to double that number. So you want to do 10 pull-ups, 20 push-ups, both variations, decline and regular, and then also 20 dips. But it depends on your fitness level. If you're intermediate or just starting out, then you can judge the number that you want to. But you want to be between at least doing 10 of everything if you don't have the weighted vest. If you do have the weighted vest, then just cut that in half, all right? So let me grab my vest and then we'll get into it. And I just have a 20-pound vest. This vest, you can buy it from Walmart. It's a pretty cheap vest. I think it was like 30 bucks, but it gets the job done. It's only 20 pounds, like I said. So, all right, let's get into it. We got dips first. Now we're going to push-ups, regular push-ups. All right, now we're going into a decline push-up. Make sure you can get this. So you got a regular decline now. All right, so now we're going into dips. We got 10 dips to finish it off. And then that's your basic circuit for the day. And like I said, it's just 4 simple movements. You got your pull-ups, you got your decline, and then you got your decline push-ups, and you got your regular push-ups, and then dips. So this is something that you want to do to help build more strength. It's not really an endurance one, although you can make it that way. But you want to do as many rounds as you can within 30 minutes. Take as much break as you need to in between sets, because you want to focus on completing the repetitions that you have. So if you're doing 5 pull-ups, 10, 10, 10, make sure you're completing all those. So you don't want to be too gassed to not be able to do the rounds that you, the amount of reps that you set per round, all right? Keep up with your rounds, get you a pad and a pencil. Keep up with how many rounds you did, so the next time you do it, you know how to get better, all right? So that's it today. It's a simple, quick workout. Let me get this done in my garage today. Just gonna knock this out, and I'll see you guys next time. God bless.